Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode. This is RALLYTOP Investing 3.0. In this episode, I want to teach you how you can actually catch every move in the markets. The beauty of smart money concept is that you can trade on both sides of the market, meaning that you can trade pro trend as well as counter trend. But as a beginner, I want to strongly advise that you stick to the pro trend first of all. Master it like the back of your palm. And when you have gained some level of experience, then you can begin to try your hands on the counter trend trade, because it's much more easier to trade and make profit using the pro trend. But in this video, I'm going to show you everything on how to catch every move in the market. Some people argue that the market moves randomly. No, the market doesn't move randomly. It moves according to plan. Okay, the smart money moves price from one liquidity zone to another. That's how price moves. So I'm going to teach you all of that now. But first of all, take a look at this chart. We are pretty much bearish. So price is breaking the lows and maintaining the highs, which is a strong characteristics of a bearish structure. Now, price now printed this low here. For this low to be confirmed as a valid low, it needs inducement, and as you can see, inducement was taken out here. So this low is now confirmed as a major structure low. So if price in future takes it out and candle closes below it, it becomes your break of structure. Okay, because we are bearish. Now, after taking out inducement to validate this low, price travel back up to form this high. For this high to be confirmed as a valid lower high, in the case of this bearish structure, it has to sponsor the move down to take out this major structure low and close below it. Candle must close below. But as you can see, it did not happen here. Candle didn't close below. What happened here is that candle wicked this very major structure low. Now, anytime you find this kind of scenario in the market, a candle wick taking out a major structure low or taking out inducement zone, now know that is strong signal that the smart money is about to push price deeper into the zone. Sometimes they can even push price to go and reverse completely. But sometimes also they take a deeper pullback simply because of this liquidity sweep here on a major structure zone. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Now, how do you trade this kind of scenario? Because it's important for you to know how to trade every move of the market or in the market. Okay, how do you take advantage of this kind of scenario to take your trade? Well, the first thing you need to do is that once price takes out a major structure low such as this, now with a candle wick, the first thing you do is mark out this candle wick. This candle wick is a strong zone on your lower time frame. Okay, so mark out that candle wick. That becomes your area of interest. It's a strong area of interest. It's a valid area of interest. Now this is the 1H, so you can now move to the 5M to refine that area of interest. And this is that 5M. So refinement is just a little refinement. You tweak it a little, taking it to that very weak on the 5M time frame. Okay, so that's it. And then you can go down the 1 minute time frame to further refine if there is any room for refinement. Now this is the 1 minute time frame. Is there any room for refinement? No, there is no room again for refinement. We are okay here. This is reasonable. This zone is reasonable. So we are going to wait for price to come and tap into it, and then we go long. Now, so we can press forward price to see what happens. Okay, so price has come into this zone, but for us to take any meaningful trade here, we need to wait for chalk. And where is the chalk here? Well, this is your chalk. Once price takes out that chalk, you enter your trade directly. You don't need any inducement anymore. Why? Because already the smart money as taking liquidity on the higher time frame and even on the lower time frame. So now let's continue to advance price. Okay, a new low has been created. Price didn't go up to take out this chalk. Rather, price created a new low. Now look at this new low. We need chalk before we take any trade in the market. And where is the chalk? Well, your chalk can be transferred from here and then you place it here. So if price takes out this chalk with a candle closure, we want to take our trade from there directly. We don't need to wait for any inducement. Okay? And so we can actually anticipate that price will take it out, and we mark out our area of interest. Where is our area of interest? That's not our area of interest. Now, your order flow is key, not your OB. Order flow is key, and the order flow that you will mark out is here, pending when price will take out this change of character, this zone as a change of character. Once price takes it out and candle closes above it, this is going to be your zone that you would want to take price from. Why do you not need inducement? Because inducement has already been taken. I mean, liquidity has already been taken. Okay? So we continue to play price. So as you can see, price took it out with the candle closure and price returned into that zone. So we have been activated now into the market. Where are we going to take this price to? Now, take a look at this. And I want you to understand one thing. Remember, we are trading a counter trend trade here. Overall, the market is bearish. Okay? So this buy opportunity is just a counter trend. So you don't need to hold your trade for too long. Now, take a look at this structure here. The high and low of this massive bearish candle are protected. So, but you have the traffic of prices here. Can you see? So if you mark out this traffic here, very important, this is accumulation. The smart money is trying to accumulate price there in order to move. So if you stretch it out, that's going to be where we target. So once price gets to this level, we will be out of the trade and look for an opportunity to go short. Okay, I told you I'm going to show you how to catch every move in the market. All right, so let's continue and see if price will get to our profit target. So market is moving in our favor, and boom, we are here now. So we can be out of the market now. The next move is how we can take this price lower. But can we look at 5M and see what is going on there? Now this is where we want to take price from. All right, this is traffic we talk about. It has already gone into this one. So now we want to take price from here. So this is the 5M. But for us to get a better data, to get enough data to be able to know what to do here, maybe we need to go to the 1M. I think we should go to the 1M. But let's play price here and even see what is going on. Okay. Okay, so we've gone too far. Let's get to the 5M and see what is going on here, because price took out the high of this previous candle and this one close below it. This tells you that market is trying to shift direction from this uptrend to downtrend. That's what it's trying to tell you. So if we mark out this point, let's see what we can have on the lower time frame. Let's mark it out. This is our TNCP. I hope you understand that. Took out the previous candle's high and this one close below. So now let's get back to the 1M and see what is happening there. Now this is the zone on the, why is this like this? Okay, so this is the 5 minutes zone that we marked. Look at it. Price pulled back down and went up to take out the high of this previous candle. Once it takes it out, remember it is inside this higher time frame zone. Okay, so this now will become your change of character. This one will become your change of character. So change of character, will you need any inducement? No, you don't need inducement. Why? Because price has already taken liquidity here. Look at it here. Price has already grabbed this liquidity, this high. It's already taken out by this candle here, this candle wick. It took it out and closed below it. So you don't need inducement. And therefore, where is your area of interest in this? Now, your area of interest is your order flow. More important than any other thing, this is your order flow in the market. So you want to, once price taps into this order flow, you want to go short. All right? You want to go short from there. But if you want to refine it the more, then you can use this TNCP here. This is TNCP. Let me change that color. Let me change the color. Now, let me change the color here. Okay, so that's TNCP. This one is your chalk, and then you tap in. So we have two trades there. If it goes our way, then we'll go short. So let's continue. So as you can see, okay, price has come into the zone, didn't go to, it came into this one. Look at this one, all right, and tap into it. So it didn't go to the refined version of this hour. It didn't get there, but it tapped into this one. So we are going down now, but we want to see where are we going to be targeting? Where is our profit target? Well, let's see our profit target. Just a minute, guys. Okay. Where do we target? Now, the first point we target will be here. Once price takes out this low with a candle closure such as just like this, all right? Move your stop loss to break even, to be in a risk-free trade. It's better to be in a risk-free trade. And then your target, ultimate target, will be here. Okay, so as you can see, our TP has been smashed. It even went down further. So that is how to take every move, you know, in the market. You can trade on both sides of the market. Simple. Look at another example here. Take a look. For this low to be confirmed, it needs inducement. And where is the inducement here? Inducement is here. Where is our areas of interest? Well, the first area of interest is this order flow, this one. And the extreme area of interest is this one. This is the one, because price took out, this is a major high, okay? And therefore, we can use this as our area of interest. It's unmitigated area. So these are the two areas we look to take trade from. Now, if price wicks above this inducement, we can go short. I'm going to show you everything. So, but let's continue to advance price and see what is happening in the market. Okay, look at what has happened here. I think inducement is taken out. Let's see. So inducement is taken out with a candle closure. Once it takes it out with a candle closure, you need to wait for it to tap into an area of interest. And that is your decisional area of interest. This is extreme. Let's continue. Remember, your decisional is 50-50, low probability. We need lower time frame confirmation. So let's continue. Okay, so as you can see, price has come into this area of interest. Now, what are we expected to do now? We're expected to go to the lower time frame and begin to plot the trade here. So let's get to the 5M. Now this is the 5M. So price came into this area of interest and printed this high. Price has come into higher time frame area of interest. So the first internal structure low or high, depending on the direction of the market, is known as change of character. So change of character has been taken out. Now, what do you need again now? Now that change of character has taken place, you need inducement. Why? Because price closed above this high. Okay, so you need inducement. Now, but there was no inducement, and then price travel back lower. Now, for this low to be confirmed, it needs inducement. Okay, and so where is the inducement? Inducement is here. Inducement is right here. So if price takes out that inducement, there is nothing here to buy. If it takes it out with a candle wick and gives us the NCP, we can go short from there. All right, we can go short from there. But let's continue to advance price and see what's happening. Okay, as you can see, price is just ranging. Let's drag this out. Price is ranging. Now take a look. Price has printed this high here now. Now this is still valid because immediately after it closed slightly above, this next candle came back down into the zone. So we are still on course. Remember, we are looking for confirmation. So let's continue. Now let's see what is going on here. So for this high, we need inducement. I mean, we need chalk because it has created a new high, higher than this other high here. So we need chalk. And where is the chalk here? Your chalk is here. It's as simple as that. Once price takes out this chalk, then we will need to wait for inducement. Where is my chalk? Once it takes out this chalk, we need to wait for inducement. Simple. So we press forward. Okay, so as you can see, chalk has been taken out. And so where is the inducement here? Your inducement is here. This one, that's your inducement. Okay, now after inducement is what? Is your area of interest. And where is the area of interest here? Well, your area of interest is supposed to be this one, but as you can see, this inducement has already mitigated it. So what we are to do is to mark out this. Just mark it out. Then we'll go to the lower time frame to see whether we can have something with a fair value gap. All right, let's just go there. Let's get to the 1M. Look at this OB here. This is supposed to be your OB, this bullish candle. But if you look at it, price has come back to it. Okay, now so you can transfer it to this one. But the way we trade at RALLYTOP is this. This is not a valid pullback. Okay, it's not a valid pullback. So our zone is clean where it is. If price comes into this zone, then we'll be more than happy to take trade from there. Simple. So we continue to advance price. Okay, so price has entered into that zone. Now, are we going to take our trade directly from there? No, we only refine this. So we need to have a confirmation here. We only refined. So where is the confirmation here? Well, we need inducement to be taken out. I mean, we need chalk to be taken out. And where is the chalk? We need chalk. The chalk is here. It has to take it out. Otherwise, we cannot enter any trade here. Okay? But for those who want to enter directly, you can enter. But for me, I cannot take this trade because I need confirmation. I need confirmation. And confirmation is that when it takes out this chalk, that's when I would enter the trade. So let's mark the chalk. I'm not an aggressive trader, so it has taken out chalk. So once chalk is taken out, I can now look for inducement and enter the trade from there. And so where is the inducement here? Going by the present structure, inducement will be here. So, but let's continue to advance price. Now, it has created a new low. So where is your inducement in the market? This is your inducement. Simple. This is your inducement here. If price takes out that inducement, then where is our area of interest? Our area of interest will be this zone. This zone. It's better for you to preserve your capital than to rush into the market and then the market sucks your capital. So let's continue to play price. Let's see, our inducement was taken out. I'm sorry about that. So let's see whether inducement will be taken out with a candle wick or so. Okay, so inducement has been taken out. Price took out the previous candle's high and then closed below it. This will become our area of interest here. This one. So if price comes back to it, to tap into this, we want to go short. So let's continue. So as you can see, price tap into it. I'm sure you will give a buffer to your trade. So price tap into it and it's going short. All right. So let's continue and see whether it will go our way. And where will be our target? Let's look at it. Where is our target? Let's determine that one first. Let's get back to the 1H and see our target. It's as simple, guys. So where do you think we should target? Well, our target will be this low. But please, because this is a massive liquidity void and price will fill it up. All right, eventually price will fill it up. So let's get back to the 1M. Let's get back to the 1M. My duty here is just to show you how to catch every move in the market. Simple. Okay, so as you can see, price is moving in our favor. Can you see what is going on? So price is going in our favor. That's the way for you to trade in the market. You can catch every move. You don't need to catch 1 to 50. If you are making 1 to 5 on each trade, or on each trade you are taking 1 to 5, I think it's a reasonable profit. It's reasonable. You don't need to take 1 to 50, 1 to 100. It's reasonable. So that is how far we can go, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will do justice to it. And if you are yet to join our YouTube channel, please try and do so. We are 3 years, 8th of September. All right. And we are giving out mouth-watering promo, so you can be part of our VIP community. We give 50% off our mentorship fee. This is the opportunity for you to take advantage of. The promo is still open and it will be closing on the 28th of this month. So take advantage of it. 50% off. That's huge. So take advantage of it and become part of the team, the winning team, that is. And if you are yet to join our free Telegram channel, please do so just immediately, because there we also post some of these trade setups. All right, guys. I want to thank you for listening to me, and I see you in our next video.